Hello, this is Krista. Today I'm going to introduce you to this machine, SKH612HT. I will introduce it from the following aspects, including advantages and scope of application, processor size, software, functions, and advantages of each system. Um, the first part about machine advantages and scope of application. There is one drill boxes on the top and bottom, 12 vertical drill and 8 horizontal drills on the top, 9 vertical drills on the bottom. All holes, hanger holes, snots, milling and laminate can be processed in one processing. It can be snotted up and down at the same time, with 4-layer automatic tool changer magazines. It can complete the front-face milling, snotting, laminate, chamfering, and rounding. It can also process side laminate, night snot, and other processes, which can be applied to wardrobes, custom production and mass production of cabinets, wing cabinets, bookcases, bathroom cabinets, office furniture, and other furniture. Aggregate head. It can be 360 degrees of rotation, processing only 3 sides of the panel, used for snotting. Close to the clamp side is not processed. The second part, about processing size. Maximum processing nurse is 5,000 mm. Maximum processing thickness is 48 mm. Minimum processing thickness is 10 mm. The third part, about software function. Number 1. The software is available in Chinese, English, Russian, Korean, Spanish, Vietnamese, and other languages. Number 2. The interface is simple. Creating graphic holes and the snots are very convenient. Number 3. After supporting CD software drawing, import DXF files for processing. Number 4. Automatic size identification. Integration with nesting design software. Scanning code processing. Displaying the information of the thickness of the four-sided binding, which is convenient for feeding the board. Number 5. Support the similar function. You can check the processing action in advance to avoid misprocessing. Number 6. Big data analysis. Code the processing times of each drill when it reaches the set time of use, and prompt change the drill. Number 7. Processing statistics function. Statistics the QR cube information of each board, processing start time, end time, time spent, and the time interval between upper and lower panel, which is convenient for employee performance management. Number 8. The processing and to be processed documents are displayed separately, which is convenient to check whether the board is missing or not. Number 9. In the software, you can choose the direction of panel discharge, coming out forward or backward. This is skin system. The number 1 skin system supports barcode scanning automatically loads, processing graphic fields, and produce NC programs for processing. Seamlessly connect the data of domestic and foreign nesting software. Okay, look here. There are 4-layer automatic tool changer magazines. The number 1 is full blend. used for snorting. The number 2 is frontal nib for laminate. The number 3 is laminate saw blade to process side face. The number 4 is convection milling cutter. This is drill boxes on the top. This is a brake gauge head. Number 2, drilling box system. The CNC drilling box independently developed by Huahua Company, manufactured according to international standard, and each drilling box through 3 QD testing to ensure accuracy. Number 3, intelligent detection. Automatically measure the length and width of workpieces and connect the placement error in time. This is double linkage clamps. Number 4, double linkage clamps. Server control of 4 clamps grasping material. Accurate position. Each work table of the machine is equipped with 4 clamps, which can be used for short and long panels. This is automatic wire lubrication system. Number 5, automatic wire lubrication system. Adjustable automatic of failing and lubrication to prolong the service life of the equipment.